Pour liquid on the bag. The effect is shocking. Take a regular plastic bag and pour a bleach-based detergent on it. Then add some dishwasher rinse aid. Now, use this mixture to clean the silver elements in your bathroom. This combination works wonders, making silver surfaces shine effortlessly. Cleaning your bathroom has never been this easy. I always keep a ball of aluminum foil by the sink. Thanks to it, I don't have to call a plumber. When you have a little aluminum foil left, don't throw it away. Crumple it into a ball and place it by the sink. If you have more used foil, but it's not dirty, I'll just remind you first about the trick I mentioned in one of the videos. You can put such a ball in the dishwasher. Aluminum foil reacts with the detergents used in the dishwasher capsule. There is an oxidation process, as a result of which glasses, cups, and cutlery are shiny. They don't have a matte film. But today, I'll tell you about another trick with aluminum foil. Remove the strainer from the sink. Take a piece of aluminum foil and line the bottom of it, right in the drain. A depression will form in the foil. Do this right after lunch. Regardless of what fat you fry on, try this method. Pour the leftover fat from lunch into the foil depression and run cold water. The water should flow under the foil. It shouldn't flow onto the fat. This will help the fat cool down faster. After a while, you can remove a solid piece of fat from the foil. If it's leftover vegetable butter or coconut oil, throw it away in the organic waste bin. If you fried on clarified butter or lard, throw the fat away in mixed waste.
Put aluminum foil in a pot of boiling water. For years, I worked as a housekeeper for wealthy people. This trick saved me a lot of nerves at work. When I first heard about this trick, I didn't want to believe it worked. Place a pot of water on the stove. Then bring the water to a boil. Cut aluminum foil into squares. Make them into walnut-sized balls. Drop them into the boiling water. I also throw in the cutlery that needs polishing, with tough-to-remove stains and spots. I boil them for 5 minutes and turn off the stove. I lay them on a kitchen towel and dry them off. The cutlery doesn't need polishing. Just dry them, and they're ready. They have no stains and shine beautifully. The steel has no spots and looks like new.
Place aluminum foil in your fridge and prepare to be surprised. You'll never have this problem again, and you'll save money on your energy bills. I'm sure you've never used aluminum foil like this before. Once you understand the purpose, you'll want to try it right away. Here's a simple step to start with. Grab a roll of aluminum foil, tear off a small piece, and open your fridge door. Place the foil in the fridge door so that it sticks out. You'll notice you can easily pull it out. This indicates that your fridge seal isn't working properly. To fix it, here's a quick trick. Turn off the fridge for a moment. Take a hairdryer, set it to warm air, and gently heat the rubber seal around the fridge door. The heat will dry and soften the rubber, allowing it to stick better to the fridge. Now repeat the foil test. Place the aluminum foil between the door and the fridge again. This time, the foil won't slide out. It means the seal is now tighter. Thanks to this, you'll save energy and money on your bills. Here's a quick and simple project for your home. In a bowl, mix 5 tablespoons of sugar, freshly grated lemon zest, and a generous amount of toothpaste. Stir until the ingredients are well combined. Then, take a piece of aluminum foil, place the mixture in the center, and shape it into a compact ball using several layers of foil. Use a toothpick to poke small holes in the foil. Finally, place your creation near kitchen cabinets. It's an effective cockroach trap. Wrap your iron in this. This genius trick is something everyone should know. Just do one thing, and all your fabrics will be smoothed out much faster and with less effort. Remember this trick and be sure to try it at home. Take some aluminum foil. It turns out that regular kitchen foil can greatly simplify your life and speed up the entire process. Wrap it around the item you want to iron, ensuring the shiny side is facing up. This will significantly speed up your ironing because it will feel like you're smoothing the fabric from both sides at once. Next, place the iron directly on the foil and start ironing. The foil acts as an insulator and reflects heat. As a result, the heat will penetrate the fabric from both sides simultaneously, saving you a lot of time and energy. Ironing has never been easier. Your clothes will be perfectly ironed and in just a third of the time. A regular washing machine can also dry clothes. Every washing machine has such a function. The laundry can be dry, like after taking it out of the dryer. If you haven't used this function yet, it's high time to start. However, you don't always have to use it. Traditional air drying of laundry also has its advantages if done correctly. Before learning how to dry laundry in the washing machine, see how to air dry clothes properly at home. If you position the drying rack parallel to the radiator, hang shorter garments closest to it. Hang longer items on the next bars. On the last ones, hang the longest or largest items. This way, the warm air from the radiator will gradually reach each piece. When you set the drying rack with its shorter side facing the radiator, hang the longest and largest clothes on the middle bars. The outer ones should have shorter items. This arrangement helps clothes dry better. For the next method, you'll need a bed sheet. Hang your clothes with the shortest items facing the radiator. Cover the entire drying rack, including the radiator, with the bed sheet. This makeshift tent will speed up the drying process. Another way to dry clothes faster involves using a towel. Lay the item you want to dry quickly on a towel. The towel should be dry. Roll the clothing with the towel and wring it well. Unroll it, and the clothing will be much drier. Often it's enough to just iron it, and it's ready. Let us know which city you're watching us from. It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. Do your laundry, but don't take out the clothes immediately. Instead, add a regular towel to the drum. It should be fluffy. If you have space in the washing machine, you can even add 2. Now just set the washing machine to spin, preferably at the highest speed. Dry towels will absorb all the moisture from the clothes. After the washing cycle is complete, the laundry will be as if it came out of the dryer. If you want dry clothes, set the spin to the highest speed already in the washing cycle. Subsequent spins with dry towels will be even more effective. My laundry has never smelled so beautiful and lasted so long as it does after adding this mixture. The fresh laundry scent fills the whole house, and the towels are exceptionally soft and fluffy. After trying this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemical products. You only need a few ingredients. Grab a bowl and a small cup or teacup. Fill the cup with salt, preferably sea salt, and pour it into the bowl. Add a cup of Epsom salt, which softens laundry perfectly. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to both salts. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This combination helps remove detergent residues from fabrics and eliminates unpleasant odors. After adding this to your laundry, your clothes won't lose their color. To make the mixture smell beautiful, add 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. You can mix several scents or choose your favorite. Stir the oil into the mixture thoroughly. Prepare a jar to store this powder, then transfer everything into it. Now it's time to do your laundry. As usual, put everything in the washing machine, add your favorite detergent, and then add 2 tablespoons of this powder to the drum. You can use this mixture along with fabric softener, or you can skip it. When you take the laundry out, it will smell amazing. You'll be surprised at how much impact this simple addition has on the scent of your laundry.